Hey guys, do you see this little cookie right there? This little piggy right there? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make that on the first episode of Cooking with Winged Pig, Cooking with Winged Pig, Cooking with Winged Pig, Cha-cha-cha! Hello guys, it's me, Winged Pig. Welcome to my brand new show that I call Cooking with Winged Pig. Today, we are going to learn how to cook Angry Bird cookies. And we're going to start with all our supplies. So, let's get started first with the red apple or cherry or strawberry thing. And that is the red bird. So first you need the red Angry Birds mold. See the bottom one right here. Then you need to find a red mold. Is that red? Kind of. Alright. I'll be right back, guys, when I have put this in here. Alright guys, make sure they're pressed in a little bit. Now you take your mold and you place it on the other mold. Oops. Let me try that again here. Okay, let's do this again. Push it down real hard. And now, lift. There you have your little red bird. So now you shake it. Now you got yourself a little red Angry Bird. Now for this recipe, you're not supposed to cook it. You're not supposed to keep it like that. You have to flatten it, which is going to be my very favorite part. Now, normal chefs would flatten it with this thing, but I'm a hardcore chef. So, now let's come in for the kill. Sit it down and watch it go squeeze. Let's sit on it. Ugh. It's incredibly comfy. The poor bird's getting ripped. He's completely squeezed. Let's lift it up and set it down. And now we use this just to get out those little edges right there. Okay. Alright. Now, excuse me, that's just the ice maker. It's fine. Circle maker. You make it go squeeze. Squeeze. Alright, now we lift it. And there you go. Oops. There is your nice cookie. That was good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the Pigs channel. Do it. or we'll steal your bird's eggs. And also a quick little shout out to, well, not shout out, but this video may be for ToyTrains4u. This video is certainly for you, ToyTrains4u.